Fire in the hole, let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard grill. What I'm doing for you today is we're going to cook up some chicken wings in a Thai style. We have to marinate the chicken wings first. And what I got in my pilon is some cilantro stems. I got to crush them up real good. I got to, really get them crushed up good. And let me get that done. I'll bring you right back. Stay tuned. Okay, it took some time, but I got my cilantro stems crushed up into almost a paste. What we're going to do now is add some garlic. Now, I got a whole bunch of garlic here, all different size cloves. There's like 5 large cloves and about 7 or 8 small cloves of garlic. But we're going to add that to that. And I got to crush that all up. So let me do that. I'll bring you right back. I got the garlic and the cilantro stems all crushed up. To that we have to add a half a cup of sugar. I hope this is open. It is. Okay, yeah, half a cup of sugar. Regular old table sugar. And don't forget, this is a marinade and a brine for the chicken wings. And that sugar will help break that stuff down as I crush it up. Get it crushed up. We also have to put in some white pepper. About a tablespoon of white pepper. I'm going to take the top off of that. It's easier to measure. A tablespoon of white pepper in there. That's good stuff, white pepper. I think the Oriental Thai people use white pepper so it doesn't like the black pepper kind of shows up in the food, and I think they don't like it to show up in their food. Let me get that all mixed up, and then we'll finish this marinade up and marinate this chicken. Stay tuned. So I've got the garlic and cilantro, sugar and white pepper all pulped up. I transferred to this bowl. Now we need some fish sauce. Now if you're going to buy fish sauce, I want to recommend this 3 Crabs brand fish sauce because it doesn't have any MSG in it, and that's what I like about it. And we need 1/4 of a cup of fish sauce in there. The fish sauce has a restrictor on it, doesn't let you pour it too quickly. Fish sauce is some funky stuff, but I love it. It's made with anchovies, believe it or not, and you gotta have it if you're cooking Thai food. This is a Thai recipe, I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, 1/4 of a cup of fish sauce. Then we need 1/2 a cup of soy sauce. I got some Lee Kum Kee soy sauce, which also has a restrictor on it. So you have to wait while I pour. Lee Kum Kee soy sauce. Good stuff. 1/2 a cup. Is that right? Yes, 1/2 a cup of soy sauce. Then we need some water. We need 1 cup of water. So we get 1 cup of water in there. And then what we can do is mix that all together and pour it on our chicken wings. Here's the wings. I'm going to mix that marinade and pour it on the wings and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then tomorrow we'll come back and we're going to use the marinade along with some rice flour to make a batter and fry up these wings. So stay tuned. Okay, I've got my well marinated chicken right here, and that marinade is amazing. It smells great, that cilantro and garlic. And I've got some rice flour right here. I've also got some shallots. We have to fry off some shallots before we can fry the chicken, because according to Palin from Palin's Hot Thai Kitchen, that's where I got the recipe. I'll put a link in the description to her channel so you can check her out. It's not hot yay chicken without fried scallops to garnish it with. So I'm gonna, as soon as my oil gets up to temperature, it's only at 281. It's got to get to 350 before it can fry anything. But what we're going to do here with this marinade is, we've got this rice flour. Let me turn this where you can see it. Into the marinade, we're going to dump some rice flour, a little bit at a time, and we're going to mix that up on the chicken, and what we're doing is we're using the marinade to create a batter with the rice flour to batter the chicken. See? And that rice flour is very smooth. It's a very smooth kind of flour. It's not like wheat flour. It's different from. We're using the marinade and the rice flour to make a batter, you see, to batter our chicken. We get our chicken all mixed up and battered up. Probably, they say if you use your hands it's better, but I don't want to stick my hands in there. I'm just going to use this spoon to get the chicken battered up. That smoke is intense. Ugh. I might need to get some more rice flour out here. I think it's going to be okay. I think I got enough rice flour to make the kind of batter that I want. Let me get this mixed up a little bit better. Get some of that rice flour incorporated. It's looking good already. Yeah, right there. That's looking good. Let's get a little bit more rice flour in there. Rice flour is something I'd never had to deal with before. This is all new to me. Anyway, rice flour batter. We're battering the chicken with the rice flour batter, and the marinade, because we use the marinade to make the batter, it's going to make that chicken even that much more flavorful. Let me get my tongs over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The consistency of batter that we want is something like, when you pick it up, you don't want it to be too runny. See how runny that is? So I need more rice flour in there. I got to mix that up better too, because you don't want clumps of rice flour in your batter. But we're making a batter with the marinade, and that's going to make this really flavorful. I'm going to dump some more rice flour in there until we get to the consistency that we want. So I can't really tell you how much rice flour to put. You just got to put it until it feels good. Just got to do it till it feels good. And then you'll know by the way it sloughs off the chicken. I'll show you. You want it to be loose, but not too loose. It's hard to explain. I'll show you. When I get it to the consistency that I want, I'll know, because I'll lift a piece up. And also I got to make sure all that flour is in there. Lift up a piece of chicken like this. Yeah, there you go. That's what I want. I want that consistency right there. A little loose, a little I don't know, I might put more flour. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of that rice flour in there. A few more tablespoons. I'm putting it in a little bit at a time, because I don't want to make it too thick or clumpy. I don't want it to be like Kentucky Fried Chicken. This is Hot Yay Thai fried chicken. So yeah, I think I'm getting it now. I think I'm getting the consistency that I want right there. And I'm going to, I'm going to call that good right there. I think that's going to do it for the flour. We're going to get rid of the flour, move this over here. We're going to fry off our shallots. When we get our shallots fried off, we'll fry the chicken. So stay tuned, I'll show you what that looks like. The oil in the Weber wok is up to temperature, so I'm going to drop in these shallots carefully. I don't want them to make a big splash. And want them to fry up, but I don't think they take long. So we're just going to get them a little bit golden brown like that. I think we're going to dip them out of there and call it good. Let me get our fried shallots out of there. Get them in a bowl. That's a garnish for our Hot Yay chicken wings. Yeah, they're done. That quick. That oil's really hot. Yes, my fried shallots are done. Let me get them all out of there, and we'll throw in a chicken wing. Stay tuned. Okay, let's drop in some wings. There's one. Two, we don't want to crowd the pan, so we can't cook too many at once. Also, I want to cook these wings until they get to an internal temperature of 175 degrees. I want them very well done, because I want the meat to be falling off the bone. Let me get my wings fried up, and I'll get this plated up. We'll drink a beer and take a taste, so stay tuned. My hot yay fried chicken wings are done. Here's the frosty root boy mug rapidly getting unfrosty. Here's today's beer. Of course, a Thai beer, Sing Ha, one of my favorites, of all-time favorite beers. Sing Ha is an original Thai lager, premium lager. We've had this before. We like it. It's good stuff. We're going to tilt that glass and pour that beer. Okay, all right. Yes, sir. Got it going on. Got the beer coming. Oh, baby. Yes, sir. Thai beer to go with my Thai style chicken wings. And they are some crispy goodness right there. Let me tell you what. Let me get a slosh of that beer. I'm dry as a bone. Ah. You know all about that beer, Rob. That's some good beer, right? Okay, let me get some of this chicken wings in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get a taste of this. I can't wait to sink my teeth into one of these hot yay Thai chicken wings. You know, I got some dipping sauce here. I got my favorite stuff I gotta show you. I love this Japanese barbecue sauce. I put it on everything. But I got a dipping sauce here, but I'm not going to use it. I want to get a sense of how this tastes all by itself. Let's see how it goes. Oh, oh my goodness. That's delicious. Mmm. Oh my. Wow. I can't tell you how good that is. You can taste the cilantro. Sorry. You can taste the cilantro and the garlic from the marinade in those wings. I gotta wipe my mouth. Also, I need a beer. There you go. Yeah, I can't wait to polish those off. That's my lunch. But anyway, you know what I always say, babies. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up the iCard and check out my buddy Bones, our new barbecue. He's a real live Cajun. He's cooking real Cajun food. You're gonna like what he's doing. Go in the description if you want to see the original recipe from Palin's Hot Thai Kitchen for these hot yay chicken wings. These things are amazing. This is better than Kentucky Fried Chicken. That's delicious. Wow, that's awesome. The garlic and cilantro, just the best. Yeah. Okay, babies, that's my video. We'll see you next week. Bye.